A mother hears a humming sound from her daughter's bedroom and walks in. Finding her daughter sitting on the bed using her personal toy, she asked, "What are you doing?" "I'm a 35-year-old woman living with my parents. This is the closest I'll ever get to a husband," replies the daughter. The mother silently leaves the room. The next day, the father hears a humming sound in the living and sees the daughter in same way. "What are you doing?" he asks her. She gives him the same reply and the father leaves her to it. Later in the evening, the mother hears the noise again and goes to see where it's coming from. Her husband is sitting alongside the Enjoy toy. She asks him what he's doing. He replies, "What does it look like?" "I'm watching the game with my son-in-law."